Hey everyone, Kevin here at TN Jeep Adventures. Today on Gear and Equipment, talking about some of the means that I video, some of the rides we go on. If you watch some of my other videos, when I have my older Jeep, my Jeep TJ, I had a magnetic mount that I mounted on the hood. Worked out really well for some video shots. But unfortunately with the new JL, it's got an aluminum hood. So the magnetic mount does not work anymore. What I did do is I picked up a SeaSucker suction cup mount, and we're going to go through the steps to mount it on the windshield here out at Windrock today. We're going to take a little trip down G9 to see how it holds up, and I'll share that footage with you. Let me know what you think. If you like it, comment on here, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. So here is the SeaSucker unit with the GoPro attached. We're going to put it up in the top corner of the windshield here. It does have a protective thing for the suction cup. We'll go ahead and take that off. Sorry for the camera work here. And we're going to mount it, I think, just probably about like that. And then basically, it may be hard to see on here, you press this to build up suction. Push down a little bit. And we gotta do it till you don't see the orange anymore. Then at this point, we have a safety tether. We're just gonna hook it up to the rear view mirror. And that way, if the camera comes loose, it's still attached and I'm not going down a mountain for it. We'll go ahead and make some adjustments to the camera. I'm not sure how level that is, but we'll give it a try. We might have to readjust that. All right, I've got it readjusted. I had to turn the camera off and use both hands on it. Let's go ahead and give us a test. We're gonna go down trail G9. It's not very rocky, but we'll just give it a little test here, make sure it doesn't come off, and I'll share the footage with you guys. All right, that was the first test. I'll have to look at the video and see if we got the angle right. It might be pointing up a little bit, but we'll play around a little bit with that. If you can see right here, you don't see orange coming out. That means the suction's working good. So stayed on there pretty good during that bumpy ride. I'll put some of the footage up. I may adjust the angle coming out of here and see how that works. But it's a SeaSucker suction mount. I'll put a link to their website. I'm not affiliated with them. Do not get anything from this. This is something that I saw online and wanted to give it a try. Hopefully it helps you out. We just came down G9 again. It's a very short trail, at least the section I went just to the overlook. But you saw all the bumps and everything. I did kind of adjust the angle on it. We'll see what the images look like. It may be something to play around with. I'll go ahead and show you how we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this. I'm gonna get the tripod for that, so hold on one second. I've got the camera up on the tripod here. So basically all you have is these two tabs right here. You pull up on them and it comes right off. Nice and easy. As always, I appreciate you watching the channel. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate that. And I'll try and share stuff like this as I come up with it. If anyone has any ideas on how they're filming, please drop a line in here, put a comment. I would love to learn a little bit more about it. Like I said, in future rides, it held up pretty well. On this short one, I'll probably be incorporating this. So you see some views coming from the windshield like that. I do have a GoPro mount inside the vehicle. It works pretty well. The only disadvantage to that is the fact that if the windshield gets dirty or dusty, you get a lot of reflection off of it. And I know in the past I've seen, you could see things on the dashboard reflecting. That's why it's a little nicer to have it outside the vehicle. Again, if the camera gets splashed with mud, I guess we'll just have a covered camera. But until then, appreciate you guys watching.